In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets as a data source in Looker Studio. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to harness the power of your data in just a few easy steps. So, let's get started. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your account. This will bring you to the main home page, the hub where all the magic happens. You'll see a button for creating new things. It's usually marked with a plus sign or simply labeled Create in the top left corner. Now, click on that button and select Data Source. This is where you'll set the foundation for importing data from Google Sheets into Looker Studio. Once you're on the data source page, you'll be greeted by a list of connectors. Scroll down or use the search option to find and select Google Sheets. This will initiate the process of linking your spreadsheet to Looker Studio. The next step involves choosing which Google Sheet you want to use. You'll be prompted to pick both the spreadsheet and the specific worksheet within it. Not only can you connect to sheets that you own, but you can also connect to any that have been shared with you. And if you prefer, there's an option to paste the URL of the sheet directly, helpful if the file is tucked away in a labyrinth of folders and you want a quick and efficient way to access it. After selecting your Google Sheet, you'll find a few optional settings you can configure to tailor your data import. First, you have the choice to use the first row of your sheet as headers. This is recommended because it ensures Looker Studio recognizes each column with its appropriate title, making the data much easier to work with. Next, decide whether you want to include any hidden or filtered cells in your data import. Sometimes these contain crucial data, and other times they're better left out. This decision will depend on your specific needs. There's also something called an optional range. If you're only interested in a particular part of the worksheet, define this range to limit the data import, thus keeping your workspace clutter-free and focused. Once you've configured these settings according to your needs, click the Connect button. This action prompts Looker Studio to load the fields from your Google Sheet, integrating them smoothly into the system. If you wish, you can customize the field names or types and even add calculated fields to enhance your dataset and analysis capabilities. Finally, when everything is set up and your data looks good, click either Create Report or Add to Report. This step lets you begin constructing meaningful insights and visualizations with your newly connected data. And there you have it. A simple, yet comprehensive way to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio, making your data both accessible and actionable. Happy analyzing!